it's probably fine. And then making another.
Hey guys, today's video is going to be a fun little cozy fall vlog. I have a book signing today that I'm going to with my cousin, and we're seeing Sabaa Tahir. If you haven't read An Ember in the Ashes, you need to. This was such a good fantasy. My cousin has read all of her books and she was the one that recommended me Sabaa, and after reading this, I definitely will continue reading the rest of the series. There's 3 more books, so I will continue with this series, and I'm so excited to go to the book signing today. I did start decorating my room a little bit with these pumpkin pillows, but that's as far as I've gotten with fall decor. So I do want to go to Target and probably the mall too. So I am actually heading to Barnes now with my cousin. No, this is crazy.
But I wanted to kind of ask that question, is like that slow kind of descent into, well, I'm gonna make this decision and I'm doing it for the right reason, so it's probably fine, and then making another decision.
Oh my God. We just met her. I came for her. Came for her, and she was literally the sweetest person ever.
She's so nice.
Also love just everything she stands for.
I know.
Like, she's
she
an
was
icon.
Talking about like Sudan, Gaza, like everything.
Guys, why would you like do that to me? Okay. I want to get one of the chocolate ones. Oh, I love it. But this is white chocolate. White chocolate. Is there was a chocolate one before.
Yeah.
The color changing hot chocolate.
Yeah. I think this is good.
Hey guys, it is the next day. Our book signing ended up running pretty late last night. After that, me and my cousin headed to Target. We decided we wanted to do a little baking movie Halloween night. So we just picked up some stuff to bake at Target. So first thing, we obviously picked up the Pillsbury pumpkin cookies. And then we also picked up this skull baking pan to bake pizzas in, because I saw on TikTok like a bunch of people making ghost shaped pizzas and pumpkin shaped pizzas. Us not having to do the hard work of shaping the dough and just putting it in here, I think will just be a lot quicker and easier. So hopefully it turns out good. And we picked up the pizza dough, the Pillsbury pizza dough, pizza sauce. Got some pepperoni. Anyways, we're gonna head to the mall right now, and we're gonna make a stop at Bath & Body Works, of course. So let's head there now. You guys, Bath and Body Works literally sells detergent now, which I think is so crazy. Oh my god, the Christmas stuff. Oh, stop. Better not pout. Stop, that's really cute. Period.
Oh my god, skinny.
Skinny.
That's my goal weight.
What waist? What waist? Okay. There's like pink decorations too.
Oh my god, wait, why do I love this? Oh my god.
I'm kidding. Wait, actually, it is a kid though. Yeah. Wait, that's so weird. That's like a decoration. All of this. Imagine going to someone's house and you see this as their Halloween decor.
Kind of would love it.
There's no K. Texting Bailey. Caught in 4K.
It's not like that. We're just friends.
I want to bring you something.
Hey guys, so our baking night actually turned out to be really successful, which we were both shocked about. We honestly thought that they were gonna just bake into looking like blobs, but it actually turned out the way that it was supposed to look. Before our baking, we did stop at Michael's because I wanted to check out the decor that they had because I didn't find anything at Target or the mall that I actually really liked. So we made a stop at Michael's. I didn't see too much that I really wanted, but I did find a pillow that I really liked, which is this pumpkin abstract looking pillow. I just liked the colors and I thought it would go really good with my bedding and the little pumpkin pillows that I already have. So I'm happy about this at least. I got some stuff at Bath and Body Works and Sephora. I did get 2 of the hand soaps. I got Fiji White Sands and Pink Lavender Espresso. So let's just do a little smell test. Fragrance notes for Fiji White Sands is fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, and sandalwood. It's definitely really sweet smelling. And for Pink Lavender Espresso, the fragrance notes are pink lavender, caramel espresso beans, and smooth lavender. I definitely smell the vanilla in this. It's definitely really strong. I did get 2 of the 3-wick candles. I got them in Marshmallow Fireside, which I feel like is a classic. It literally just smells like the holidays. Picked up pumpkin s'mores, and I'm not too crazy usually about pumpkin smelling candles or things in general, but the pumpkin isn't too overpowering. Like, it doesn't smell like straight up like normal pumpkin scented things. I feel like the s'mores is like stronger in this than the pumpkin. Lastly, at Sephora, I picked up a perfume and a blush. I literally spent a good 25 minutes in there smelling like a bunch of the perfumes. And I decided on Gucci Flora. This is the yellow one, which I feel like is new, because I've seen the pink and the lavender one and the teal one, but like I could be wrong, but I feel like this yellow one is new. And then lastly, I did pick up the Say Dew Blush in the shade Dreamy, which is a nice deep plummy shade, which I thought would be perfect for the fall time. So I will let you guys know if I end up liking this. I feel like I will, because I have heard nothing but good things about this brand. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I definitely have more fun things planned for the season, so stay tuned for that. I'll most likely be vlogging it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one.